What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be scarifying my lawn. Now the benefits to scarifying your lawn is that it will take up any thatch, cut grooves in your soil, cut up the roots a little bit. So if you have a rhizomatic grass, it will shoot up new grass blades when you cut the roots, slit the root. My grass is a mixture of Kentucky Blue, which is a rhizomatic grass, and perennial ryegrass. What I'm going to be using today is my Sunjoe Dethatcher and Scarifyer. When you buy these, it comes with two different types of cartridges. One, a dethatching cartridge, and two, a scarifying cartridge. This here is what the scarifying cartridge looks like. It's just got these blades that rotate and they'll cut slits in your soil. You can do this along with aerating when you overseed. So when your seed gets into the lawn with these slits in it, you'll have more seed to soil contact, which will have better chance of germination. And again, when you cut the rhizomes, that will make new shoots of grass blades, and that is my ultimate goal for today. Now the best time to do any scarifying or dethatching is in the spring or fall, so that you're not causing too much stress to the lawn along with that summer heat. So those are the best times to get that done. Now I was planning on overseeding, but I'm in Utah. We had a severe drought this year, and my secondary water is actually going to be shut off, and it's not going to give me enough time, or they won't allow me enough times to water regardless of time. So I'm going to have to go ahead and skip overseeding this year, unfortunately. We'll see how much snowfall we get this winter, and maybe I will try overseeding in the spring. So I'm just going to be scarifying this year. The plan is to cut up as many rhizomes as I can, hopefully get more shoots of grass, and get a thicker lawn by spring. So let's go ahead and give that a shot. Alright, so look at all of that thatch and debris. And just to tell you, I mean, I dethatched this bad boy in the spring as well, and this is how much I'm getting up. So this is one pass. I'm going to clean it up, throw it in the garbage can, and see how full garbage can is. If I have enough room, I'm going to go ahead and do a second pass. So now I'm going to be using my mower to suck all this thatch and debris up. I've got my mower lifted up about an inch higher than I normally would cut it, and I'm going to just suck all this thatch up and throw her away. Here we go. Alright, so I got all that mowed up. Grass isn't looking too bad. Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at those stripes. getting rid of all that thatch really helped get rid of some of that color cloud that I've got from some of the grass blades dying off. But hopefully this will stimulate some more growth and get a little bit thicker here. Obviously not as thick as overseeding, but you know, we'll get what we can with these drought conditions. So hopefully next season will be better with that. But you know, I'm not really going to be able to get to the back just because I don't have any room for any more debris. You can see this is my secondary waste bin. That bad boy's full. I'm going to want to mow again in this week, so we'll see if we get to the back. We got a lot of rain in the forecast next week, so hopefully not. But say hello to our Pumpkin King. Hope everybody's getting ready for a good Halloween season. There it is for my scarifying project. Again, cut a bunch of slits in the lawn, cutting up some of those roots and rhizomes to hopefully stimulate more growth, more grass blades popping up. So yeah, if you have any questions on this process, go ahead and drop them below. Please hit that thumbs up, and if this video is informative at all to you, please subscribe. Have a good day.